Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. So, my first question for you today is what recent tax or regulatory change has had the biggest impact on boardroom conversations?
So you must be aware that there are a new labor law which was enforced in November 2025 itself. So there was 29 laws which came into force, but that's the main objective for that is to simplify compliances, to enhance the job security, and to give the workers the rights they are important for the important for them. So, for example, that earlier the people were used to give the verbal appointment letters, but not mandatory written appointment letters. So that was the first change, that every company has to give the written appointment letters to the employees. Number two, earlier what company used to do, that company was saving their PF and ESI by keeping the basic salary of the 30% of their CTC. But now it's a mandatory requirement that you have to keep your basic salary to 50% of your CTC. So it will increase your PF, and it will also increase your ESI contribution. Number three, earlier the workers can do the strike immediately whenever they want to do. They can strike, but now they have to give the notice of 60 days to the management. That notice would be a written notice, then only they can go for the strike.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so my final question. In an era of ESG and global reporting, do tax leaders have a moral responsibility beyond optimization?
Yes, I believe as a CFOs, as a tax leaders, you can think more about beyond profitability and optimization. For example, we are into paint industry and we use hazardous products which contain VOCs, and that those products are very harmful for the environment and for the humans as well. So what we should do, we should think about that we should be into ecosystem paints, that which will not be more harmful for the environment, and also we should give trainings to employees so that they should be well aware that they are dealing with the hazardous projects and they can affect their health as well.
Thank you, ma'am. That's all.
Thank you so